I have 7 days left for this 1 month daily video series that I started for June. And to be honest, tinatamad ako today. I'm uninspired, I'm discouraged, kasi apart from tinatamad ako mag-video sana, I'm working on a project na nahihirapan ako gawin, and parang basta hindi ako natutuwa sa how it's turning out. And ayun, that's just how I am today. Tapos kanina, parang yung train of thought ko, parang binalik lang ako ni Lord, or siguro Holy Spirit na rin yung nag-prompt na to remind me of why I started this. And actually, hindi ko pa yata na-share, pero I started this because I was in a cycle of social media addiction where I can't help but, scroll, consume, parang looking for that dopamine hit after dopamine hit. And it's affecting my body because lagi ako nagpupuyat, lagi akong late na natutulog, tapos minsan imbes na matulog, nakahiga na ako pero nagpo-phone pa rin ako, so naapektuhan na rin yung quality ng sleep ko. And in trying to, instead of consume, I started the series kasi I wanted to create by making the videos or editing the videos instead of always just consuming. And ayun lang, parang siguro a reminder na if you're feeling discouraged or unmotivated like me today, remember why you started. Remember your objective, na kasi feelings are just feelings, they pass, but you do not have to let those feelings lead you. So yeah, here's to being honest and going back to our why, and to not letting feelings lead us.